Hey guys, it's Dylan with the Random Automotive. Now, if you've been paying attention to this channel, you knew that I invested in a body shop. Well, that body shop is moved from Winter Park Paint and Collision to now Performance Autobody of Longwood, but we are still the badass body shop. Let me give you guys a tour of what it's like of being part owner of a body shop. So let's go in and meet Dan and get a tour as if we were a customer and see what we have to offer. Now, we just got here recently. We're still moving in. We're still setting up the place, so bear with us. Walk in, we're gonna get to the lobby here. We're gonna meet our lovely receptionist who will take care of all of your needs, answer the phones, all stuff like that, make appointments, and whoa, there's Dan.
Good morning.
Dan, why don't you give us a tour of Performance Autobody of Longwood?
Well, no problem. It started out with that we're still under construction because this is our all new facility. Of course, you see the overview of our nice waiting room. We have all the amenities that everybody would want to be able to actually hang out for a little while, unlike a lot of shops where you have to push a dog off the couch.
Well, what if you're on the couch?
Well, yeah, I guess that would, but that's spelled different. I was talking about like D-O-G dog, not D-A-W-G.
Oh, not D-O-G-G?
No, that'd be Snoop. Hasn't been here.
Yeah.
So, first person you're gonna see when you come in is Melinda's smiling face, and she handles all that. Unlike the old facility, we have a very nice restroom with the one little feature, I don't know if you noticed there, the little toilet paper holder has a cell phone holder on top. That's nice. This is my area over here. This is a private office that we're going to use for visiting adjusters. So when insurance adjusters have come to do an estimate, that's where they can use. Now we're going to go into the belly of the beast. Like I said, keep in mind we're still under construction and still moving in, but you can get the idea of what's going on. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the old facility, and we're laying it out a little bit different. We have our parts storage area back over here in this corner, and the booth, which is going in now, which we figure another week or so before that's up and operational. We hope for big things here. We're changing stuff up a lot. We're putting in a new frame machine, which hopefully will be here in next week or week after that. Get all this big mess all organized, which a lot of it was just bring up and drop from the old facility. And of course, you know, Frenchie's doing what he does, and Bubbles is here somewhere. A lot of our time now is getting things organized, and hopefully near the end of February we're going to have a grand opening. We're expecting the Longwood mayor to be here for a ribbon cutting ceremony, and just up and out from here. And we're going to be adding an auto glass division, which mobile auto glass and in-house auto glass. And one of the things that we're going to do is we're going to specialize in the older vehicles on the auto glass. And pretty much all I got to say.
No, stay badass.
And stay badass. We're still badass, and we're always going to stay that way.
So there you have it. My shop has now become Performance Autobody of Longwood, but we still are and always will be the badass body shop. Keep up to date with how we grow by checking us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. I'll have a link to all of them in the description. From time to time, I'll post some content on here for you all as well. Thanks for watching and for your support, and I'll see you on the next video.